Hotep, and welcome to our credit repair presentation. I am that I am. Some call me Haru. Here's a brief overview of what we will be presenting to you today. For those of you interested, we do have available an audio PDF format via email of our credit report packet. Please respond to this presentation via email, leaving your name, email, the phone number, and best time to contact you. Our overview will consist of a formal introduction, a video, a PowerPoint presentation, and conclusion. For those of you who have questions, please don't hesitate to email us at haru@technoenthusiast.com. Those of you who wants to join today, please click on starvista.fixcreditbiz.com. Tell them Anthony referred you, or call direct to 866-623-7856. That's 866-623-7856. Ask for Rigo. Tell them Anthony referred you. So let's get right into it.
The following information includes facts the credit bureaus may not want you to know. Okay, let's get started.
3 credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, watching everything, all wanting you to think nothing can be done. No one can help. You're just stuck with bad credit and 3 big problems. Did you know these agencies are not government-based? They are for-profit corporations designed to make money off people with bad credit. But the truth is, there is help.
In today's world, every aspect of your life is hinged on your financial reputation. There's a 3-digit number the credit bureaus assign to you. It's called your score. And whether you want one or not, good or bad, everyone has one.
Your score determines if you can buy a home, or are you forced to rent, what kind of car you drive, how much you pay for insurance. Even what kind of job you have can be based on your credit history. It takes years to establish a good record, and in a matter of months, you can find your financial reputation circling the drain.
The stress and cost of bad credit can seem endless. Relationships can be devastated over financial matters. People are working 2 or 3 jobs. They spend less time with family and more time trying to keep up with interest rates they are forced to pay.
People are forced to start paying cash for everything, but find they are out of money the same day they are paid. The thought of taking a summer vacation is unheard of, and at some point, people stop enjoying the life good credit can offer. But you're up against a system that's designed to make you pay, and keep paying dearly for years. But what is the system? How does the system work? Why are they allowed to profit on your life? Who gave them the right to point and wag the finger at you?
Let's answer some questions as we move on.
Here are the real answers. The credit bureaus base the number on scoring models. No one fully understands the scoring models. They are generally so complicated even the bureaus can't explain them. In a nutshell, your score is based on the positive items that build you up to a certain number. The negative items pull that number back down. The lower your score is, the higher your interest rates can be. So the less you have, the more you pay.
Makes sense, right? What's the answer?
We found as negative items are deleted from your file, your scores will instantly increase. The higher your scores, the less you pay.
How they make money off bad credit?
People with bad credit have to apply to more places to find financing than people with good credit. For example, on a car purchase, the person with good credit puts in the application, gets the car, and goes home. End of story. The person with bad credit gets sent to 10 to 15 different banks and finance companies looking for financing. The credit bureaus sell your report to each bank that reviews your application. That means they are literally making 10 to 15 times more money off people with bad credit.
Don't be one of them.
Let's talk about finger wagging. Did you know creditors are not required to produce proof of debt when reporting something bad to your credit? Your reports are nothing more than complaints, not proof of anything. Hearsay.
That's right. Hearsay.
It's as simple as a phone call, and instantly your financial reputation is questioned for years. That's why at least 70% of all credit reports have inaccurate, misleading information. The only time they need proof of debt is when the claim is challenged or investigated.
Now, since they make more money off bad credit, it only makes sense for them to make the investigation process harder than the reporting process.
But the credit bureaus are not the only ones making money off bad credit. Banks and finance companies are cashing in on higher interest rates and fees, often charging hundreds more each month for basic housing and transportation needs. Who needs this money more, you or the bank?
Don't let the credit bureaus make that decision for you.
They know most items will never be questioned. So why worry about it as long as it's making them money?
With that in mind, federal law allows you to challenge anything on your credit file. That means anything can be deleted. Bankruptcy, repossessions, charge-offs, medical bills, credit cards, judgments, liens, collections, foreclosure, and more. But how? What's the big secret?
Federal laws have been put into place to protect you from unfair reporting. The law requires items on your credit to be timely and accurate and verifiable. Notice the word verifiable. This means if something on your credit file is accurate and timely, but can't be verified, the credit bureaus are required to delete the item from your file.
Payment status cannot stop the item from being deleted, so it doesn't matter if the bill was paid or unpaid. Unverifiable items have to be deleted per federal law.
If your creditors can't produce hard validation proving the item legally meets all required criteria, it must be deleted. As negative items are removed, your score improves immediately.
But I owe the bill. Why wouldn't they respond?
There are many reasons why a creditor can't or won't respond to investigations. Creditors archive files after 6 to 12 months. Accounts are transferred and sold to agencies. Agencies are often understaffed. Signatures and key documents get lost all the time. Sometimes they just don't feel like it.
Now that you know the process, you might ask, can I use these laws myself for free? Of course you can. Go for it. The process is not magic. In fact, the credit bureaus are waiting for you to try. Traps, pitfalls, and stall tactics are their way of making you think nothing can be done. They want you to try. They want you to give up. They want you to go away. Remember, fixing your credit directly affects their income. Even though it sounds simple, going it alone is never easy.
But is going it alone your smartest decision? The time, effort, and cost of books and kits can be very overwhelming. They do nothing about procrastination and leave you to deal with the bureaus.
Sadly, simple mistakes on your part can create more damage than you started with.
And do-it-yourself plans can easily take 3 to 5 times longer than using a service.
Imagine making a phone call and being able to pass the baton of bad credit to professionals that are ready to get started on your case right away. We offer a service for people that don't have time to take on the bureaus alone and can't afford to lose.
We understand your situation. We know the laws that protect you, the procedures, who to contact, what to look for, the stall tactics, and how to respond. How to get results you're looking for.
And most importantly, we make it easy.
We have what it takes to protect your financial reputation from accusations that are often unjustified and unfair.
We've invested thousands of dollars having the most advanced software designed for our company.
We have the most powerful tools available built in to bring you the fastest, most accurate, and most reliable services available.
Our software was designed with customer service in mind. We have 24-hour access to your case status on account update pages and 24-hour customer service links.
We have a very friendly staff working hard for you.
We set standards high and leave the competition struggling to keep up.
We investigate all negative items each month. Other companies investigate a few items at a time, if they do anything at all.
Beware of companies having been open less than 5 years or can't prove their history.
We don't spout off huge numbers we know you'll never be able to verify.
We don't expect you to just take our word for it. We prove it. Most companies only wish they could provide 24-hour web updates of case progress. but they won't invest enough into their own company to provide this feature.
Why should you contribute to inadequate service?
If they keep your case progress hidden, what else are they hiding?
We don't email you letters for you to sign and mail yourself. We don't wait for you to call us and select what items to investigate. Our system flags all negative items automatically. We print and send the letters for you. Simply fax us the update letters as they're mailed to you each month.
With all these features and benefits, it would make sense that we would be one of the most expensive companies to deal with. But because of our investment in our company and top-notch tools of the trade, we're able to offer our services at the lowest prices available anywhere.
The fact is, the results are worth thousands more than the price. Being able to save 2 points on a mortgage loan can save you $200 per month, with a total savings over $70,000.
It's very easy to see how a service like ours will pay for itself over and over again long after the repairs are done.
It's the smart way to make your money work for you.
Do you want to buy or refinance a home?
Do you want a new car? Do you want credit cards?
Do you want your credit fixed? The time is now.
It's time to open the doors of opportunity for yourself and your family.
It's time to stop paying unreasonable down payments. It's time to stop paying cash for everything.
It's time to take your life back.
It's time to stop making the credit bureaus money.
It's time to stop procrastination dead in its tracks.
The clock is ticking. Doing nothing is costing you thousands. We make it so easy.
Enough is enough. We believe you can have anything in life you want by helping others get what they want. Do you want your money to work for you? Visit our Join page. And in a matter of minutes, we will be doing what we do best while you relax and enjoy peace of mind. With a program this strong, you have nothing to lose but bad credit.